So hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So as you guys know that today I bought brand new PlayStation 5 Pro. I was very excited for it. I think it is the king of all the console. But while playing, first my PlayStation 5 got crashed. I think it is an overheat issue. I ignored it, but when the same thing happened again, so I watched many YouTube videos, even search on ChatGPT that what's the matter. So no one posted like that. With me, same thing is happened 4 times after 40 to 50 minutes of time period. Then I started the camera and I start gameplay again, so I have the proof of crashing out. So as you can see that the screen suddenly off and the green screen came and so loudy noise came, and after 10 to 20 seconds PlayStation 5 Pro automatically shut down. So I don't know what's the matter. If Sony you are watching, I need my money back, and I think it is the waste of money to buy PlayStation 5 Pro.